Get your seedlings out early by using plastic wraps. Make sure the plastic wrap is tight and poke holes so air can get through. For this experiment, we used one container with and one without plastic wrap. We placed all containers where they can get as much sunlight as possible. When the sun shines, you can see that the containers with plastic wraps retain moisture better. After a couple of days, we can see the first results. The container with the plastic wrap shows a bit more potential. I'm very curious to see if there will be a difference in a couple of weeks. Here we are. A couple of weeks later, I think we have a clear winner. Do you think it's worth the effort to use plastic wraps to get your seedlings out earlier? Subscribe for more gardening inspiration and tips.